How to claim items for $0 in Temu. Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually claim free items and get them for $0 in Temu. So watch this video step by step so I can actually show you how it's done. So basically you can see here I'm currently on Temu. Now if you haven't already created an account, it's absolutely free, so just go ahead and create one. So once you've created your account, it should look something like this. Head over to the U page and then go ahead and click on it. It should look just like this you can see on my screen. Click on earn credits and free gifts. Once you do that, it should bring you to a page just like this. Now, all you have to do here is just go ahead and click on one of the two options here at the top. It should be the first two. You can click the hat trick gifts or the free gifts. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on get now in the free gift section. And you can see here that we actually have the offer or the option to actually get 5 free gifts. So you can see here, there is a shiesty right here that I actually do want, which I've already claimed here. There is just a lot of other stuff here. There are masks, another shiesty right there. Basketball, whatever it may be, this cologne. So I'm gonna claim this cologne right here because I really do like it. I'm gonna go with the mysterious black, and you can see here I've actually picked my 4th free gift, right, or my 3rd gift. So that's essentially how you claim items in Temu for $0.